Behind every 6- and 7-figure web design business is a set of core habits, systems, and mindset shifts most people overlook. In this bonus lesson, I'll share real-world lessons from successful web design entrepreneurs who've scaled their businesses sustainably, with profit, purpose, and freedom. These are the patterns you'll see again and again, and they're all learnable. Lesson 1. They focus on a niche early. Top designers don't serve everyone. They go deep instead of wide. They choose a niche based on industry, like SaaS, coaches, or healthcare, personality fit, outcomes, like conversions or branding. Niching doesn't limit you. It positions you as the go-to expert in a sea of generalists. Lesson 2. They productize their process. Instead of reinventing the wheel with every client, they build a repeatable system. Fixed packages and pricing, templates and onboarding docs. Define milestones and timelines. It looks more professional, sells more easily, and delivers better results without burnout. Lesson 3. They know their numbers. High-earning designers track average project value, profit margin, time spent per deliverable, monthly recurring revenue, lead conversion rate. They use this data to make smarter decisions. Lesson 4. They outsource sooner than you'd expect. Most solopreneurs wait too long to delegate. The ones who grow faster hire help early. That might mean a virtual assistant for admin, a developer for builds, a content writer or project manager. They don't wait until they're overwhelmed. They plan ahead. Lesson 5. They build authority, not just portfolios. Portfolios get you in the room. Authority closes deals. They share their thinking online. Publish case studies. Get featured on podcasts. Speak at events. They create visibility instead of waiting for it. Lesson 6. They invest in community and mentorship. Nobody builds alone. They join masterminds, group coaching, peer communities, conferences. They stay inspired and supported. Lesson 7. They define success on their own terms. Some run lean solo studios, others build agencies. But they all ask, what do I want this business to do for my life? What do I enjoy doing every day? How do I build this intentionally? That's what makes it sustainable. You don't need to be perfect to build a 6-figure business. You need clarity, systems, and a long-term mindset. You've already taken a huge step by learning what works. Now it's your turn to apply it and become the example others learn from next.